So my son is turning 11 and he's requested for me to make him an ice cream cake. And most people are kind of divided as to the perfect way to make an ice cream cake. Some people want it the traditional Carvel or Dairy Queen type, where it's basically 2 layers of ice cream with maybe like some crunchies in the middle. And other people are saying, wait a minute, no, if it's an ice cream cake, it has to have cake in it. So then they'll basically sandwich the ice cream in between 2 layers of cake. I'm gonna do something that's kind of like a hybrid of both of them because I've done both. And I don't want to just eat straight ice cream. And whenever I've tried to do the ones where it's cake with the ice cream, it looks good on the plate, but you're basically eating a chunk of frozen cake. And I don't really find that very appetizing. So what I did was I took the 2 Devil's Food Duncan Hines cake mixes, and then I basically crumpled them into crumbs, and then I crushed up Oreos and mixed it all together and kind of pushed that into the layers. So that way you kind of get the texture of cake and you get the texture of the cookies with your ice cream. So it's almost as if when you're eating the cake and it's kind of like the ice cream starting to melt into the cake on your plate, and it's kind of like mixing and stuff. That's kind of like the goal that I was going for with this one. So today we're going to make an ice cream cake. So yesterday we did our ice cream cake tutorial and they ate it and they loved it, and here is what it looked like. So what it is you're not getting like a huge chunk of frozen cake that you have to wait to thaw out while your ice cream's melting on your plate, and you don't have just like a huge chunk of like a big slab of ice cream with some whipped topping slapped on it saying like, ta-da, it's an ice cream cake. So it's kind of the best of both worlds, and I really liked it a lot. So if you have any questions, feel free to post something in the comments, and I'm putting all of my instructions in the notes. So just please click subscribe and let me know if you have any other requests. Have a great day.